So welcome back to our SST class. We'll continue with our civics revision. That is from question number 21 till 20th. Everybody has done in the notebook.
यस
Till
मैम। मैम
20th.
आपको नोटबुक बतानी है क्या?
Yes. If you can show me your notebooks, if you can show me your notebooks one by one. Yes, Shubham. Nikita, okay, Nikita, yes. Yes, Shubham, I'm able to see yours also. Good. Yes, Nikita has also shown. Yes, good. Yes, in this way you have to write on full options also. Okay. Very good. Now, next, anybody else wants to show me?
Yes, ma'am.
Anishka. Yes,
Bhavika.
हाँ, Bhavika, you can.
Siddharth Kevlani.
हाँ, show it to me.
मैम
मैम प्रांजल।
Okay, Pranjal.
Preet.
Yes, Bhavika, I'm able to see yours also. Good. Pranjal,
Ma'am
yes.
Siddharth Kevlani.
Yes, Siddharth. Siddharth, yes, show it to me.
Preet.
Preet, I've seen yours. Good.
Okay, Preet.
But Preet, you are doing in the rough notebook or what? Preet,
No, ma'am.
in the fair notebook only?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So those who are doing, everybody is. Hello.
I have done in rough notebook.
Well, I will check the notebooks, fair notebooks also for the revision work. Because each and every time I'm asking to take your SST notebook, fair notebook.
मैम
Yes. Pranjal, yes, I have seen yours. Yes, beta. Vidit, you want to show me?
नो मैम
हाँ, then.
रुक जा 2 मिनट।
मैम
बस 2 मिनट यार, एक आंसर लिखने दे।
Hello.
राजकुमारी।
Bhavika. Bhavika, please mute
आप ये जो
yourself.
पीडीएफ
हाँ जी, बोलो.
मैम ये जो आप पीडीएफ से करवा रहे हो ना ये एमसीक्यूज
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल. वो
तो
लाइव.
मैम ये तीनों पीडीएफ जो आपने 3 दिन
हाँ जी.
वो तीनों
मैम ये
पीडीएफ आप
व्हाट्सएप पे
मैम वो
डाल दो।
ग्रुप में भेज सकते हो क्या?
बेटा, ये सारे पीडीएफ ऑनलाइन क्लासेस जो आपकी अपलोड होती है ना स्टूडेंट पोर्टल पे, ये सब कुछ वहां पर मिल जाएगा. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस जो आप अटेंड करते हो ना, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ये जो भी, ताकि उसके आंसर्स भी आपको मिल जाएंगे वहां पर. अगर मैं
मैम
व्हाट्सएप पे पीडीएफ दूंगी तो सिर्फ ओनली क्वेश्चंस यू विल गेट. दैट इज व्हाई आई एम नॉट गिविंग एनी पीडीएफ ऑन व्हाट्सएप और इन एनी ग्रुप, so that in live classes when you will go and see on the
Ma'am.
student portal, you will get the answers also. Yes,
मैम एक बार भेज दो ना मैम।
but ये question.
मैम
हाँ,
फिर
yes.
भी मैम एक बार है ना ये पीडीएफ आप एक बार ग्रुप में भेज दोगे क्या? बाकी आंसर्स तो हम है ना वो कर लेंगे उसे क्लास से देख के। एक बार है ना जब एग्जाम होंगे उससे प्रैक्टिस भी कर लेंगे इस पीडीएफ।
So beta, this is not compulsory that only from these it will come. It can come from the book also. You have to learn from the book also, है ना? और अगर मैं पीडीएफ दे दूंगी तो डोंट मार्क एनी इनकरेक्ट आंसर्स, क्योंकि फिर आप लोगों को आंसर्स पता नहीं होंगे. यू विल नॉट गो ऑन द स्टूडेंट पोर्टल टू चेक फॉर द
मैम
करेक्ट
वो तो
आंसर्स.
करेंगे ही।
हाँ हाँ.
मैम प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाएगी साथ में।
ओके.
मैम आप स्टूडेंट पोर्टल पे वीडियो डालते हो ना
हाँ
क्लास
जी.
की?
हाँ, यस यस यस.
हाँ
स्टूडेंट
तो मैम उसमें से स्क्रीनशॉट खींच के कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, yes, you can do from that also. That is why I'm thinking, okay, so that you will have the PDF also, and with the answer you will get it there. And Tanishq, no problem if you are attending the class and you are not having the mic and camera, no problem for that. The thing is that you should have the notebook with you and you have to attend all the revision work in the notebook. Okay? Now am I clear, everyone? Next, from question number 21, we'll continue our revision work. Constitution of the nation contains. Constitution of the nation contains. Yes. Raise your hands up for this. Yes, Preet.
Vote A and B.
According to you, Preet, C option is correct. Yes. Nikita. Okay.
Both A and B,
And
ma'am.
both A
Option C
and
is
B.
correct.
Okay, fine. So that means everybody is in favor of which option? Both. That is C option. It is correct option. Both A and B. Okay. Next is what refers to a goal or a principle in its most excellent or perfect form. What refers to a goal or a principle in its most excellent or perfect form?
मैम एक बार 21 में ऊपर
मैम
करना
आइडियल
मैम वापस देखना
मैम आइडियल
22nd, ideal. Ideal refers to the goal or principle that is given from the glossary part. This answer question is given from the glossary of civics lesson number 1. So option B will be correct, ideal. Ideal or ideal we can say. Next is by which time had the nationalist movement gained momentum? Yes,
Ma'am Nikita.
yes, Nikita.
मैम शुभांग
Beginning of 20th century.
Shubhang.
मैम शुभांग मिडल ऑफ 20th century
मैम प्रीत
Yes, Preet.
मैम ऑप्शन ए
Option A. Yes, those who
बिगिनिंग
are
ऑफ 20
Vineet. Vineet. Which option is correct? By which time had the nationalist movement gained momentum?
Ma'am, beginning of 20th century.
Okay. So first option is the correct option, that is beginning of the 20th century, the nationalist movement gained momentum. Okay, A option is correct. Now question number 24th. When did the King of Nepal finally take over as the head of the government? When did the King of Nepal finally take over as the head of the government? Yes, Preet.
मैम February 2005
Anybody else? Next option, any other option anybody wants to give?
Ma'am February 2005. Option B is only correct.
Who is saying with confidence that Nikita, with confidence that option B is correct? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nikita is saying with confidence option B is correct. That means option B is only correct. That is February 2005. Now next question. State governments have authority to make rules on subject of. State government have authority to make rules on subject of. Asian
both
national.
of these
The option D will be correct. None. Clear? Hello. For 20,
yes ma'am
D will be the correct. Coming to 26th question now. Who has the role to play in information of government under universal adult suffrage? Who has the role to play in formation of government under universal adult suffrage?
मैम प्रीत
Yes, Preet.
all adult Indians
All adult Indians. Yes, Vedanshi.
मैम शुभांग
Okay, Shubham.
all adult Indians
Dhruv.
Ma'am Nikita also all adult Indians.
all adult Indians
Okay.
मैम
All adult Indians.
Very good. All adult Indians, including male, female. That is, adult means which age? Which age?
18 plus
middle age
18 plus
18 and above 18. They had the, yes, 18 and 18 above. 18 years also has the right to vote. Na? Adult suffrage means they have the right to vote. So all adult Indians in India. What kind of role citizens of India play in electing representatives?
Shubhang, ma'am Shubhang,
Yes,
Ma'am
Shubham.
Preet.
ma'am direct.
Next, any other? Yes, Preet.
Ma'am direct. Direct.
Okay, Dhruv.
Ma'am Tanish.
Yes, Tanish.
Ma'am direct.
Okay.
Ma'am option C.
Yes, directly you elect your representatives through universal adult suffrage. Then what refers to independent people in a democratic form of government?
Ma'am Shubhang,
Ma'am Preet.
ma'am Sovereign.
Sovereign.
Ma'am, sovereign.
Sovereign.
is correct.
Sovereign.
Okay, fine. Sovereign. Sovereign or sovereign, whatever you can call sovereign, refers to the independent people in a democratic form of government. When no outer foreign country has the control over the country, particular state or country, and the country is free to form its own rules and regulation, then it is called a sovereign country or sovereign government it is having. Now secularism means that the state promotes. Secularism
Ma'am
means, yes, Preet.
Ma'am, one religion.
None of these. None of
None of
these.
these, none of these, none of these.
None of these.
None of
Option D is
these.
correct.
Now all the options are wrong, only no religion is correct option. Now recently we have done secularism, the full lesson number 2 of secularism we have studied, and again I was reminding that word secularism means the state will not promote any one religion, does not promote, the state does not promote any one religion, किसी भी particular एक religion को importance नहीं देती है state. So secularism means that the state promotes no religion, कोई भी religion को importance नहीं है यहाँ पर. Okay, that is why understand the question carefully.
Yes, ma'am.
Secularism means, now if you those who are saying one religion, so according to them secularism means that state promotes one religion. We are having a secular state, then are we having all the one religion only? All of us are belonging to one religion, particular religion?
No, ma'am.
No. So what does secularism means exactly? That the state does not promote any particular religion. That means according to the question, secularism means that the state promotes no religion, means state किसी को भी पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन को कोई प्रमोशन नहीं देता है, इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं देता है. एवरी रिलीजन इज इक्वल. क्लियर? Now question number 30. So you have to read the questions carefully. आपको ये लगेगा कि हाँ ये क्वेश्चन हमने पढ़ा हुआ है, ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर ही होगा, बट माइट बी इन द क्वेश्चन कैन बी अनदर फॉर्म, कुछ दूसरे फॉर्म में पूछा गया हो. So you have to be very careful related to the question. Read the questions carefully again and again. I am telling you. Now next question. Discrimination is a part of our constitution. Discrimination is,
Ma'am Preet.
yes, Preet.
Ma'am false.
False.
False. Nikita also false.
Okay. So discrimination. What does the word discrimination means? What does the word discrimination means?
Treating some people equally and other people wrongly.
Yes, yes, unequally. That is discrimination means treating people unequally. That means भेदभाव की भावना रखना, है ना, एक दूसरे से भेदभाव करना कि we are high standard, you are low standard, or poor or rich, or discrimination between caste, color, so any type of discrimination. Now your question is discrimination is a part of our constitution. So क्या भेदभाव अपने constitution का कोई part है? No. So it is false.
No, ma'am.
Yes. So you have to read the question carefully every time, whatever questions are given. I hope it is clear. The civics. Yes, Nikita, I've seen your. Okay. Anything else? Yes, Preet, Mehak, I've seen yours. Nikita, I've seen yours also. Yes, everybody has completed the work. Good. So now this sharing video, should I stop this sharing of Sheikh's video?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. That means no doubt in this lesson now. This was the history revision work given to you. This was the history revision work given to you. Everybody has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Any
Yes, ma'am.
any doubt related to this?
No, ma'am.
The source of describing history,
No,
then
ma'am.
filling the blanks and all.
No, ma'am.
So true and false, fill in the blanks, one word questions, very short. Everything will be asked in periodic assessment test, but in MCQs form. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
prepare,
ma'am.
prepare nicely. Tomorrow again I'm reminding, tomorrow is your test on Google Form link. You can prepare yourself nicely and everybody participate in that Google Form at the revision test which will be given on Google Form. Clear?
Yes.
Everybody attend,
Yes, ma'am.
everybody try to attend that so that you will be able to know how the answers should be given on Google Form and how to upload your PDF and all for SST especially. Any other? And after this,
मैम कल जो आप टेस्ट लोगे मैम उसमें पीडीएफ अपलोड करनी पड़ेगी.
नहीं, in the MCQs form only it will be. You have to, हाँ, वो complete करने के बाद in the MCQs form only, there only you have to mark in the options and you have to send that same. अलग PDF नहीं बनाना पड़ेगा कल तो उसको बस वो है कि गूगल फॉर्म पे मैंने बनाया है वो. As till now many subjects you have done that revision test on the Google form.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the same way on the Google form. Then next geography. Now history no doubt.
मैम हिस्ट्री का रिवीजन टेस्ट कब होगा?
हिस्ट्री का रिवीजन टेस्ट बेटा हो गया ना. First was the history revision test only I had given. You don't have the idea when? Which date? कब हुआ था ये नहीं ध्यान है आपको?
June 25.
June 25. Okay, so I hope everything is clear now about history, geography. Now prepare nicely whatever revision work is given that and as well as all the lessons. Clear?